Hello everybody, my name is Achintya Sharma. Today I'll be showing you how you can create a jumping game in Scratch. So the game is very simple. So I'll show you first what I've created. This is the game. There is a chick and two eggs. The chick needs to jump over these eggs, and if the chick touches the egg, everything will stop, and whenever you restart your game, your score will be set to 0, and if it crosses the egg, its score will get 1. So I'm just going to cross one of the eggs. You can see the score changed because I have almost crossed the egg. Now I'm not going to touch or do anything, and you'll notice that everything stops. But if I restart my game, the score comes to 0. No matter how much is your score, but the score will be to 0. So let's learn how to develop this app. So first of all, you have to delete this cat, go in these, choose a sprite, and in this you have to search chick. You can choose the chick, rooster or hen. So I'm taking the chick over here. Go in the backdrops, choose this blue sky and place the chick over here. Yeah, like this. So now when green flag is clicked, we want our chick to be in its initial position. Now go in the choose a sprite, and here we are going to choose an egg. Yeah, like this one. Place the egg over here. Actually want the egg to start from here. Yeah, it should be touching the ground. Yeah, like this. So now go in the events, drag and drop this when green flag clicked. Go in the motions, go to eggs. Yeah, I'm done with this. Now the egg looks too big, so I'll just reduce its size by 80. Yeah, now it looks small. So what we are going to do over here is, first we'll create a variable known as score. Score. And now you'll notice in my project that score is there. So drag and drop this, set my variable, set score to 0. Now go in the events, when space key pressed, go in the controls, drag and drop this, repeat, go in the motions, change y by 10. So the chick will jump upwards. Now we also want our chick to jump down, so we'll make it minus 10. Yeah. Now, so when I click on it, it jumps. But there's one thing missing, that I want it to play some sound like this. Yeah, start sound chirp. Yeah. So whenever it jumps, its score should be 1. So I'll just drag and drop this, change my variable, instead of my variable, change my score by 1. So whenever I jump, and my score is going to change by 1. So now for the X code. So the X code is that forever. Go in the controls, drag and drop this forever. Go in the motions, drag and drop this, glide 1 second. And instead of this, I'm going to make it minus 230 so that it glides. Yeah. And here I'm going to make it 2 seconds because it's jumping so fast, so we want some time. You notice that our score has changed, but I want it to change its score and not get stuck in between. So you'll notice here when green flag clicked event, go in the when green flag clicked, drag this, and you'll notice over here that wait until touching chick, stop all. Go in the controls, drag and drop this wait until, then go to sensing, drag and drop this touching mouse pointer in our code, make it chick. Then you have to add a stop all block to your project. Now this looks okay, but if you want to add more obstacles, you can just duplicate this egg. I'll just duplicate this egg. And yeah, so the egg 2 is not visible. So I'll just see where the egg is. Okay, here the 2 eggs are. So same with the egg 2 also, I want it to be over here, but it should not block our path. So go in the egg 2 and I'm going to make some changes. You can see when green flag clicked, I'm going to place this code aside and go in the looks and make it hide. Then you'll notice that wait 1 second, go in the controls, drag and drop this wait 1 second, and then forever, we'll put the forever block back in our code. Yeah, after the forever, inside the forever, go in the looks, drag and drop this show like this. Now, so that is the change that I've made for the second egg. Now you notice how it is going to work. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.